Hi kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode I will go through a short video where I potentially can see the market coming back down to on Ethereum and on Bitcoin, and the target that I'm having on this trade in case we see the market coming back down and potentially retest for the 3,387. We're having our stop loss slightly below the previous higher low, and our target could be around 53,500. I'll show you exactly why I do believe I can take a trade from this level if we see the bullish momentum and the rejection. Don't forget that I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you a little short video of what I see on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're looking at Ethereum, but I'm gonna show you first of all the Fibonacci. You can see here on this picture that the Fibonacci combined with the support trend line when we are creating a higher low is really good using, and in this case you saw the trend line plus 61.8% Fibonacci levels. Market came back down to the level and then bounced to the upside. If we're going to Ethereum on the 4-hourly chart, this is exactly what we're waiting for. We're using the help of the support trend line and we're taking a Fibonacci, which we can see the market on the 61.8% is just combined with the support trend line. So what we expect the market to do first of all is to come back down and retest 3,355, and from that level you can see the market pushing up to create a higher high, and I do expect the market to come up to potentially 3,745 or 50. Going back in time, this is also a previous support which we can come back up and retest, and from that level either we continue to the upside or bounce back down. So by just looking at the picture, this is exactly what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the market to come back down. You see the retest of the 61.8% and the support trend line, and that could take us back up to higher targets. If we're looking at the overall picture on Bitcoin, we're looking at the 2-weekly chart. What I did was that I took a fib from the highest point, the last all-time high, to the next lowest point, and that gives us a Fibonacci level between 53,581 and 50,400 or 50,500, and this could actually be where we potentially see the market coming up and retest, because we did break the support trend line, and now we just might see the market having the lower high being created, going down to the lower time frames before we're coming to that level. What I did was that I took another Fibonacci from 40,967 to the highest point at 47,427. We could potentially see the same thing on Ethereum. We could potentially see the market coming back down and retest 44,120 and 43,344. And if that is the case, I will have the targets. I will have target 1 as 48,926. I will have the Fibonacci levels also as targets at around 50,500 and potentially 53,473. So that is only if we see the market coming back down, and as I showed you on the picture, if we see the market coming back down, we just might also see the market retesting the support trend line, and as long as we're not breaking 40,812, because this is the last higher low that we do have on this uptrend, that could be where the market is. Market can come back down and retest this support trend line and then see the push to the upside. So it would look something like this. If we're taking a long position, we're dragging the stop loss slightly below the previous higher low, and the highest target, as I told you, is around 53,473. So market could potentially come back down, retest these levels, and then bounce back up to the upside. Guys, don't forget that you can receive a bonus up to $4,100 by using the link in the description down below on Bybit. Bybit's super good if you're having your positions for a longer time because you have 0 fees. Remember, it's leverage trading, so please be careful, because you can gain a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money, and you're always supporting Bitcoinsensus by doing that. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this video. I hope you did enjoy it. We'll see if the market pushes back down tomorrow and see if we're having the momentum to the upside. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live tomorrow, or having my daily updates, regular videos every single day, 24/7, every single day of the week. Have a great day. We'll see each other tomorrow from Sweden.